Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to get reference window. If you want to get the reference window, you can go to the window menu and then click on the sub view. So we show the sub view in it. Okay, this is for the navigator and this is for the sub view. You can click, hold, and then you can move like into the canvas area. I will resize the sub view. To attach the image, you can click these icons, import. Like I will use this image and click open. Now it will be show for the reference window. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to get reference window.